Writing style, engaging. Hey fellow foodies! Ever thought about adding a touch of sweetness to your daily routine? Well, why not make that sweetness chocolate? Yes, you heard me right. I'm talking about eating chocolate every day. Let's dive into why this isn't just a delicious idea, but a beneficial one too. First off, chocolate, especially dark chocolate, is packed with antioxidants. These powerful substances can help reduce inflammation and increase heart health. Imagine something as tasty as chocolate could actually help you keep your heart ticking happily. But that's not all. Chocolate is also known to boost brain function. It contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine, which can enhance brain activity and help you maintain focus. So, if you're looking for a sweet brain booster during your midday slump, a piece of chocolate might just be the ticket. Now let's talk mood. Chocolate stimulates the production of endorphins, those chemicals in your brain that create feelings of pleasure. It's like a natural antidepressant. Having a rough day? A little chocolate might brighten it up. And here's a fun fact. Despite its bad reputation for causing weight gain, moderate chocolate consumption can actually be a part of a balanced diet. The key word here, moderation. So while I'm all for eating chocolate every day, keeping the portions sensible is the way to go. So there you have it. From boosting your heart health to lifting your mood and even giving your brain a little extra juice, chocolate has more to offer than just its undeniable taste. Why not make it a part of your daily ritual? Trust me, your taste buds and maybe even your body will thank you. Remember, it's all about balance and choosing high-quality chocolate with a high cocoa content. So go ahead, indulge a little every day and unlock the daily delights of chocolate. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more heavenly treats that are secretly